Hello, my name is Ali Ghanem. I am an academic plastic surgeon and a visiting professor of aesthetic medicine. It's my pleasure to welcome you and congratulate you on having the SkinGenuity Facial Rejuvenation Kit. SkinGenuity is a new concept based on utilizing the very language of the cells that make us who we are, and using this language, the growth factors language, to improve the skin quality and combat aging and other disorders. The growth factors are the very language that our cells use in order to communicate with each other. Most pertinently, around time of injury, where cells will require help of other cells to come and create a defense mechanism or repair an injury or regenerate a loss. The concept of SkinGenuity is a high technology range of skin products that has been researched for many decades. They are based on very stringent clinical trials that showed us that the combination of using growth factors in procedures at the clinic and combining that with a home care will lead to very good outcome. Almost 50% improvement in the skin fine lines has been achieved, along with some dyspigmentation and some other structural improvement in the skin. The SkinGenuity Facial Rejuvenation Home Kit is an ingenious engineering that utilizes this growth factor based concept in two domains. The first domain is 2 serums that need to be applied twice in a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. You can use these serums along with any other skin care products that you are using at the moment. The second domain is a home-based microneedling protocol. Microneedling is a very important stem cell stimulant by introducing small injuries caused by 0.2 millimeter needles. We are able to stimulate the skin own regenerative and reparatory mechanism. When that mechanism is awakened, we add a concentrated solution of growth factors to enhance and accelerate this response. We recommend the use of the microneedling along with the 2 serums almost for 8 weeks, as the clinical trials has showed that the significant improvement in the skin happen after this period, although you will be starting to notice changes earlier than that. During this 8-week period, you will use the microneedling once or twice weekly and the serum twice daily. We are looking forward to hearing your feedback that will continue to give us information that will help us improve our services and the protocol. Thank you once more for engaging with the SkinGenuity Facial Rejuvenation Home Kit. We look forward to hearing from you.
Open the needle head from the blister pack. And screw onto the bottle of SkinGenuity Regenerative Solution. Do not twist too tightly, as this can stop the liquid coming out. Turn the bottle with the needle head attached upside down, with the needles facing downwards, and gently press the gold-colored button in the center of the needles. This will encourage the growth factor solution to fill up the empty needles, so that when you needle your skin, the solution will enter your skin directly. Make sure that the solution is coming out of the needle head by testing it on the back of your hand. If no solution is coming out, then you can loosen the top slightly and press the gold-colored button again until you see air bubbles going. If you are using on the whole of your face, start on the right-hand side and go from the chin outwards to the side of the face, gently pressing the needles until you can feel them pressing onto your skin. Putting the needles on your face about 3 times is usually enough to cover half of the face. Then go above that and repeat until you are under the eye socket. Do not press the needles into the skin above the eye socket, as this skin is thinner. You can pull down the skin and apply on the bone under the eye. Using the same motion, go around the side of the eye. Across the forehead, and then go down the other side of the face. The skin should be a little bit red, but this will go after 15 minutes or so. If the redness persists or the marks on the skin do not disappear, please contact our free phone number or contact your doctor. Sometimes skin irritation is seen, but this usually goes after a short period of time. If you wish to just work on specific areas, such as around the eye, then just focus on those areas rather than the whole face, and go to Step 5. If you haven't used all of the solution, then wash the needles, replace the lid, and store with the needles facing down. Do not keep a single needle head for more than 2 applications, and the needle head can only be used by one person and is not to be shared. In clinical trials, the best results were seen after 8 to 12 weeks, although you will notice an improvement in your skin prior to 8 weeks. We are always keen to hear your experiences, so please give us some feedback via your doctor or on our Facebook page.